Good morning, Nathan. Oh, did you just poop? Good morning, baby. Did you just make boobies? Did you? Say good morning. Good morning. Oh, hi. Hello, pumpkin. You guys smile for mommy? You guys smile, baby? Did you just make a big old poop? I think you did. I think you did. Honey, just as I started recording. Yeah, my big honey bunnies. What? You gonna tell Mama something? Well, move those hands. Move those hands all around. Yeah. Yeah. We got more? Oh, little pumpkin. Are you so cute? Are you so cute? Yeah, I'm cute. Oh, hi. What are you looking at? Huh? What you looking at, little boy? Ooh. Ooh. Hi, sweetie. Who's smiling? You gonna smile a little bit? Hi. Hi, pumpkin pie. Oh, mommy loves you. Mommy loves you so much. What? Oh. Hi. What? Oh, precious. Oh, what? What, honey? What's that face? Hello. Hello. Oh, what? Oh, hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yawn. Oh, my. That was a big yawn. Yeah, precious, precious boy. What? What are you looking at, honey? Huh? Oh, sweetheart, I love you. Uh-oh. Got round two coming? Got round two? I love you, pumpkin. He loves you, little pumpkin. Oh, what you can do? Huh? Huh? What you can do? Oh. Oh. What? Bye, pumpkin. I love you.